My name's Tom, and this is our brand new side tables. We just put these together. We actually got two, one here on one side of the couch and one on the other side of the couch way down there. They work as nightstands or small tables as well. They are, again, just perfect for couch size, and you can see there's a lamp sitting on it. That's wonderful. They are very easy to assemble. My son and I actually each did one, and we were done in like 20 minutes. There's really just basically a couple screws on the frames, couple screws in the frame and the bottoms, and that's really all there is to it. There's one other thing, really cool feature about this side table. Ta-da! It has a built-in 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. So if you have phones, if you have game devices, anything you want to plug in, you don't have to reach behind the couch. You don't have to go ahead and find an outlet. You can just go ahead and plug them all right into those little ports. And they work great. We've already actually have the other one actually has a phone plugged into it right now. It's just charging up. It works really well. It has 2 plugs on it, so you could put a lamp and something else on it if you wanted to. It works really well. It's nice because these are small. They fit well. They are nice modern design. And that electrical outlet thing is super handy. So I can plug one thing in behind the couch and everything else just run ahead and run off the tables. They're great.